This is Asus Zenfone 8 review. On May 12, Zenfone 8 launched, with a starting price of €499, and is now on sale for $629 over on Asus US site, but it's already discounted to the expected price of $599, £425, $879, for the 8GB model with 128GB storage. This phone's design won't blow you away, but it's packed with these impressive specs in a package that can be used with one hand. For users who want a smaller phone with flagship specs, the Zenfone 8 is a good option. Generally speaking, the Zenfone 8, 148 by 68.5 by 8.9mm, falls into the same category as the Google Pixel 5, 144.7 by 70.4 by 8mm, while the iPhone 12 mini, 131.5 by 64.2 by 7.4mm, is noticeably shorter, narrower, and thinner than either. This is in contrast to phones like the Asus ROG Phone 5, 172.8 by 77.3 by 10.3mm, which is so wide and tall that it's hard to reach the middle of the screen with your thumb one-handed. In addition to a smooth matte glass back with a camera block, the phone has rounded edges that blend into the aluminum frame, making this a solid and premium device. Other than that, it's pretty basic. At the very top, you'll find a volume rocker, and below that, a metallic blue lock button. A 3.5mm headphone jack is on the top, and a microphone is on the left. On the bottom is a USB-C port, where a speaker is to the right, a microphone to the left, and there's a SIM card slot to the left, no microSD here. There are two speakers on the Zenfone 8, a 10 by 12mm one on top and a larger 12 by 16mm one at the bottom. As you may know, the Zenfone 8 has a 5.9-inch AMOLED screen with a full HD+, 2400 by 1080 resolution. A 120Hz refresh rate ensures silky smooth browsing, media viewing, and gaming for supported titles, while a 240Hz touch sampling rate lets you input 10 fingers per second for faster gaming. The Zenfone 8 comes with two cameras on the rear, main and ultra-wide, and one front-facing camera in the screen. While the Zenfone 7 Pro had a telephoto lens, the Zenfone 8 does not. The main 64MP f/1.8 camera is identical to the Zenfone 7 Pro, including the Sony IMX686 sensor and optical image stabilization, as well as the 12MP f/2.2 ultra-wide camera. Pictures in daylight are very decent, with good clarity of well-lit shots and plenty of detail for up-close shots. Colors can be a little too saturated, though, and the camera struggle in lower light, losing clarity after dusk and twilight. In terms of specs, it's the best phone you'll find outside of a gaming phone, with a Snapdragon 888 processor, 8GB to 16GB of RAM, and storage from 128GB to 256GB, although you can't expand it. Despite its 4,000 mAh battery, the Zenfone 8 gets through the day, although screen-intensive activities like watching media and playing games will deplete the battery life faster than on other phones. Several power-saving modes allow users to extend battery life by downsizing the brightness and screen refresh rate, turning off the always-on display, and managing other power-hungry settings.